I want to show you guys how to orbit your drawing in 3ds Max. This is necessary so that you'll be able to see every part of your 3D while you are working. So all you need to do is go to perspective view first. Make sure you are on perspective view, and to go to perspective view, you click on this place, see perspective view. You can also use shortcut, which is P. Okay, right now I am in perspective view. So you are going to tap on Alt key and Z key, press them together. Then you are going to use this middle mouse button. You press it down and be moving your mouse. You see, as I press the two of them down, the three of them down rather, and turning my mouse now, you see it is orbiting.